Okay, we have talked about Pakistani Railway. Pakistan Railway, actually, there are no two, everything starts from a point only. From that point, it grows in a big session. We are talking like this. Human body starts from a point. Yes, human body in mother stomach, human body also starts from a point only. From that point, then slowly the pind forms and then hand and all those things comes into the picture. Everything starts from the point. If we talk about railway in India, then it started from a point and then it grew anyway, whatever it is. Now, if I talk about the hand, then we think about the shoulder that is connected to the backbone. We don't think about the point at that moment. Anyway, the Pakistani railway is considered an extension to Delhi, and Pakistani railway was formed because the Britishers they had to carry ammunition and arms to Quetta. Quetta was required because Quetta, immediately to the Quetta, Kandahar province of Afghanistan is there, and their Chaman border is there, and Russia, more or less, Russia was trying to enter Indian subcontinent through Afghanistan. Afghanistan was under control of Russia more or less at that time, or it was friend of Russia, whatever it is. Now to counter Russia at Chaman, the Britishers they made a cantonment in the Quetta to connect the Quetta cantonment to the Delhi cantonment. Delhi cantonment was main cantonment for the British. Now they connected it through railway line. So the freight train, the goods train from Delhi, it can carry all the arms ammunition like cannon or gun, and then other artilleries. And then through the railway track was made from Delhi to Lahore, and then Lahore it will go to Karachi, and then from Karachi it will go to Rohdi. From Rohdi, I believe it is something like that. And then from there, it will climb the mountain and it will go to the Quetta. And this becomes Pakistani railway. Similarly, there was a main railway station of Britishers and that was called Howrah. Howrah. Now from Howrah, they built a railway line to Dhaka. Dhaka would be a main place to control the Bangladeshi region for the British. Now, to control that region, they made a railway line from Calcutta and from Howrah to Dhaka. That was the railway of Bangladesh. We are talking about railway of Bangladesh now. So railway of Bangladesh, it has backbone in a way that from Calcutta, one railway line is going to Dhaka, and that is considered as the railway of Bangladesh. 3,600 kilometer is the railway track in Bangladesh. 3,600 kilometer. But backbone was from Howrah. The train will go somewhere near to, I believe, Malda, somewhere it will go near to the Malda and then it will go to the right eastward and then through the Iswardi. Iswardi is the railway station. Through the Iswardi, it will go to the Dhaka. But unfortunately, after 1947, this railway line was closed at the border. Now this is called Eastern Railway. That is called North Railway. Delhi onward, that is called North Railway. The Howrah onwards, that is called Eastern Railway. So Eastern Railway was mainly in two parts. One part was Howrah, it was going to Dhaka. All are for the Britishers' purpose only. It was not for Indian passenger to communicate. And one was to control the northeast region. Then from Howrah, one line would go to Guwahati. Now that railway line becomes Northeast Frontier Railway. Northeast Frontier Railway from Howrah, then it will go to, I believe, Malda. From Malda, then it will go to Jalpaiguri. From Jalpaiguri, it will take eastward and then it will go to Guwahati. And now, after that, then Britishers they made one railway line from Jalpaiguri. Then it will come to Saidpur. Okay, I'll break this frame. The Bangladesh had four districts in 1947. That's it. Four districts. One district was called Khulna district. Khulna district was adjoining the Calcutta district, that is Pargana district. The Calcutta, whatever there, that region is called Pargana district. Pargana district adjoining that region was Khulna district. And north to Khulna means north to Ganga, the Ganga Padma river, that the I believe Padma river. The Padma river enters Bangladesh. North to it was Rajshahi district. So Rajshahi district and south was Khulna district. And then eastward to Rajshahi and Khulna, there was a district called Dhaka district. Dhaka district was more or less eastward to the confluence of Ganga and Brahmaputra, called Dhaka district. And then east to Dhaka district, from Sylhet north to south till Burma border, it was called Chittagong district. Chittagong district. And Chittagong district, the kind of Meghna river was crossing the Chittagong district. So more or less four districts only. Dhaka district, eastward Chittagong. So Dhaka is also considered an east part of Bangladesh. East central. Dhaka, Chittagong, Rajshahi, that is north to Ganga, and south is the Khulna district. Now Khulna district more or less it is adjoining the bigger part of West Bengal. Khulna district became two districts, Khulna and Barisal district. And Rajshahi district became two districts, Rajshahi and Rangpur district. And then Dhaka and Chittagong became two districts. One is Sylhet district and Chittagong district. Anyway, it became many more districts afterward. But this is the basic Bangladesh. Now, the railway in Bangladesh, in Rajshahi district, then there is a place called Saidpur. And from the Jalpaiguri, one railway line was coming to the Saidpur. And from that railway line got broken because of the independence. Independence means connection, right? It became disconnection. From Saidpur, one railway track would come more or less to the Iswardi, and then to the Dhaka. And from this side, Howrah, it will go to the Iswardi and to the Dhaka. I believe it is clear. This is Howrah and this is Dhaka. This is Iswardi. This is Saidpur, and north to Saidpur is Jalpaiguri. Now from Howrah train will go to Iswardi and it will go to Dhaka. From Jalpaiguri train will come to Saidpur and Iswardi and it will go to Dhaka. More or less like that. Now this connection got broken near the Iswardi and that connection got broken near the Saidpur. Now the Bangladesh railway becomes Saidpur Dhaka railway. That is the main line of Bangladesh. Saidpur Dhaka railway. I believe it would be around 600 kilometers, 600, 700 kilometers, Saidpur to Dhaka. But Bangladesh is not that fortunate as Pakistan. Pakistan is a very big country, very big country. Now they are illegally they have occupied part of Kashmir also. In that sense, it is very big country, Pakistan. So it is more or less one fourth of India. It is very big country. Whereas Bangladesh is very small country. In that sense, Saidpur to Dhaka that remained as the railway line. But there is a difference between Bangladesh and Iran, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Bangla people are very inventive people. They are very progressive people. If they understand that something is going to bring development in the future, then they will do. Means very good people. I would not say very beautiful people because people know that Bangla people are always very beautiful people. So no need to mention that very beautiful people. But very beautiful country in every sense. Very means India lost two very beautiful parts. One as Bangladesh and one as Pakistan. Anyway, means we become nostalgic when we talk about it. Anyway, no, it is kind of Saidpur to Dhaka is the main line. Anyway, Bangladesh it built many other railway line also, and from Dhaka to Chittagong, they made railway line, and to Sylhet also they made railway line. Anyway, what Britishers had done at that time that we will talk. Now the backbone of the Eastern Railway whose center was Howrah. The backbone of the Eastern Railway was from Howrah, one line was going to Guwahati, and from Howrah, then one line was going to Dhaka. But more or less, it was so these are the two lines. Now, in the line of Howrah to Guwahati, the line that was the Eastern Railway, from that line, the Howrah train will go to north, exactly north, and near to Jalpaiguri train will take eastward. Near this full line, there was a branch line that was made into Bangladesh. This was the main line and branch line. Like at some point, one line will go to Khulna. At some point, line will go to Iswadi. Some one line will go to Istadi or something like that. Sometime line will go to the Rajshahi. Somewhere line will go to Rangpur. It is the main line from Howrah to Guwahati. Many link line was made to the Bangladesh. That was the structure that Britishers had made. When independence happened, full link line got broken. Full. The link line that was coming from the Howrah Guwahati line and entering into Bangladesh through this line, all a link line got broken. And Bangladesh, more or less, that was on the backbone of Howrah line, it got broken. So Bangladesh railway is not that developed railway the way Pakistan railway is, because Karachi to Lahore, that railway route, and then to the kind of to the to the Quetta, that line remained to them. In that sense, here everything got broken. But anyway, good news is that the post 1970, when Bangladesh became independent country, and after 2005 or 6 time period, 2006 time period, somehow the Bangladesh politicians they woke up. They were sleeping for past 60 years. They woke up and they said, no, 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 we have to work for the people. We have never done anything for our people. We have disconnected all the line that connected to the eastern line, main line from Howrah to Guwahati. Now we will connect it back. So that now there are 9 points from India to Bangladesh. Either work is going on to connect them, or it is already connected and train has started. In past 15 years, 15 to 70 years, 9 point the connectivity is restored. I'm not saying new connectivity is done, restored. Anyway, Indian government they proceeded from the Guwahati and they manufactured, built a line till Agartala. That is in Tripura, and Tripura is inside the Bangladesh. More or less, if someone see the map, Tripura is inside the Bangladesh. If Bangladesh is inside India, Tripura is inside the Bangladesh. Okay, okay, and then the Bangla railway they made enhancement, and from Dhaka they made railway line to Sylhet. From Dhaka they made railway line to Chittagong. Okay, now idea came that can we make this connectivity again? This is called Bangladesh Railway. Now it is connected to Indian Railway. I won't say it is getting reconnected to Indian Railway because it was already connected to Indian Railway. Like India and Pakistan, one railway line was going to Lahore, from Lahore then to Quetta through Karachi or whatever. But here, so many railway line was entering into Bangladesh from the Eastern Railway. Full branch they broke. Now from India, if they establish the line again, I believe they have established there is some Samjhauta Express goes to Lahore, but there is one railway line only. But here there are so many railway lines. 9 railway lines they have restored right now. What are those railway lines that we will talk? One railway line is Kolkata Darsana Iswardi and Dhaka railway line that is restored around 2007-8 time, 6-7 time period. And Maitri Express train is running now between Calcutta and Dhaka now through this railway route. Second is Kolkata Bangam Jessur Khulna. So these are the already established railway line. Those are the railway line that is coming from Howrah and New Jalpaiguri main line Eastern Railway. From then branches were there. Now those all branches are being restored now again. What restoring? They are opening the gate of the border. That's it. Everything is done by Britishers only. So Kolkata Bangam Jessur Khulna. Now this also railway line is restored. New Jalpaiguri Haldibari Chilhati, Iswadi, and Dhaka. This was the old railway line. Now it is restored again. Then, Changra Bandha, Buri Mari, Lol Morinta, Tista, Konya, and Parbatipur. This line is also restored. Then Parbatipur, Dinajpur, Birol, Radhikapur, Raiganj, Barsoi. There is another line that is restored. one station is in India and one station is in Bangladesh. People can understand where it is anyway. One is Badarpur, Karimganj, Maishanpur, Shahbazpur, Kaluwara, and then Silhat. This line is also opened now. Agartala, Akhwara, Dhaka. Akhwara is the last point of Bangladesh railway en route to Agartala, and that railway line was not there from Britishers also. I believe Agartala was not a railway station in the British. From the Guwahati, Indian government have made a railway line to Agartala. And from Dhaka, if this is Dhaka, then this is Guwahati. This is Agartala. Dhaka, Agartala. From Dhaka, they made a railway line till Akwara. And Akwara to Agartala, there is a boundary, and 7-8 kilometers is there. That's it. Now they have made the railway line 3 kilometers, I believe, on Indian side and 5-6 kilometers on the Bangladesh side. Now train is going between Agartala and Dhaka that Britishers had not done, but these people have done. So Agartala, Akhwara, Dhaka, this rail is going now. Now there is Old Malda, Singnabad, Rohanpur, Rajshahi. That railway line was there. So anyway, that is restored. Eklakhi Balu, Balur Ghat, Balur Ghat Hill. That is another railway. So 9 railway line now train is going on. Anyway, in the 12358, one means Kolkata Dhaka, Kolkata Khulna, New Jalpaiguri to Dhaka, and Parvatipur to Barsui, and 8 Old Malda to Balur Ghat Hill. That railway line is already restored in the sense that railway line was there. Only they blocked it in 1947. The train is going on. 4 and 6 are being restored. So 4 and 6, that is Changrabandha and Parvatipur. This route, I believe, they are restoring it. Either the railway track would not be made by the Britishers, they are making a new railway track, or they are kind of revitalizing it. So that is the concept. 7 and 9 are being constructed. In 7, Agartala, Dhaka, Akhwara, that is constructed and train is going on. And 9, that is Eklakhi, Balughat Hill, that is being constructed. I don't know what is the status. Anyway, there is a new railway track, that is the new railway line that is laid on the called Mangla Port. Mangla Port is a port that is in the Sundarban region of the Bangladesh, that is facing the Bay of Bengal. From the Mangla port to Khulna, there was not railway line. Indian government had spent money in that. And Mangla port to Khulna, there is a new railway line now. From Khulna to Jalpaiguri, anyway it is connected. Khulna to Calcutta, anyway is connected. Now through the Mangla port, now if any flight is coming through ship, then from the Mangla port through railway train, it can directly go to Jalpaiguri, it can directly come to Calcutta. So that much improvement has done, and this is the railway of Calcutta. Small railway, not like a Pakistan railway, big railway, very small railway. But big thing is all connectivity. The India and Bangladesh has the connectivity, and that was the actual railway. More or less, it is restored now. Anyway, other bottlenecks are also being thrown out, like Khalid. I believe Sheikh Hasina is living in India. These were bottlenecks. I believe the very soon this visa passport will also go over. But biggest thing here is, as far as trade is concerned, the biggest trade that was happening between Bangladesh, India, and with the global world was through the Ganga River. That was the main trade. From the India and eastern Uttar Pradesh, whatever the trade that used to happen, mind-blowing trade of the food grains, that will go near to the Dhaka, and then it will come to Bay of Bengal, and then it will go to the world. That because of that trade, India was around 27-28%. The world trade was happening from the India. Now it is 0.5%. Earlier it was 28% of the full world trade was happening through India, and it was happening from the Ganga River. And through the Ganga River, it will go to Padma, and then it will come down to the Bay of Bengal. That will be restored when that is matter of concern and that is matter of future.